Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer TRX from Coinbase to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to secure your TRX tokens in a hardware wallet like Tangem for better safety, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide is super straightforward and will have you transferring in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have a Coinbase account set up with your TRX tokens and a Tangem wallet ready to receive them. Always double-check that your Tangem wallet is properly initialized and you have access to its unique address. This is crucial to avoid any mix-ups. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and locate your TRX balance. It's usually under the Assets tab. Once you find it, click on TRX to open the details page. Next, on the Tangem wallet side, open your app or connect your hardware device. Generate or retrieve your TRX wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers. Copy this address carefully, we'll need it soon. Pro tip. Always verify the address on your Tangem device itself to prevent any phishing risks. Now, back on Coinbase, select the Send or Withdraw option for your TRX. Paste the Tangem wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network fees. In 2025, Tron TRX typically uses the Tron network, so ensure it's selected correctly. Review everything on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, address, and fees. If all looks good, hit Confirm. You'll get a transaction ID, save that for tracking. Once the transfer is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours to complete, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Tangem wallet and refresh to see your TRX arrive. Awesome job, and that's it. You've successfully moved your TRX to a safer spot. Remember, always prioritize security in crypto transactions. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.